While I personally pay thousands for high-end devices because smartphones are one of my addictions, there are some very good, affordable, mid-range smartphones available today. For the past 3 weeks, we've been using the T-Mobile REVVL 6 Pro 5G and have been blown away by the quality, performance, and overall experience of this $220 Android smartphone. In the past, spending $200 on a phone meant it might last you a year with unreliable performance, but that's not the case today. This is the first T-Mobile REVVL phone we tested, and we came away very impressed. The REVVL 6 Pro is a very large phone with a 6.82-inch display, so while it's ideal for watching video content, it doesn't fit that well in some pants or shorts pockets. Fortunately, it feels great in the hand with a matte plastic back. It looks cool with a dark gray color, and T-Mobile's signature magenta is apparent on the right side power or fingerprint sensor. The sensors perform flawlessly, and I'm a huge fan of mounting this on the side power button. The REVVL 6 Pro is also one of those rare phones with a standard 3.5mm headset jack on the bottom. Alongside that headphone jack are a mono speaker and a USB-C port. A single SIM card tray with a place for a micro SD card is found on the upper left side. While the phone comes with 128GB of onboard storage, the ability to add more externally is useful and great for transferring data. Flipping over to the back, we see a quad camera setup and a flash tucked away in the upper left corner in a 2x2 arrangement. From testing, the cameras perform better than we expected and rivaled what we've seen out of mid-range phones that cost twice as much as the T-Mobile REVVL 6 Pro. Cameras won't beat out the expensive iPhones and Samsung Galaxy flagships, but they will do just fine for social media and casual image sharing. To add, a colleague of ours also spent time with the phone and mentioned that although the REVVL 6 Pro cannot stand up to the magnificent camera in the Pixel 6 Pro, it's not that shabby. The camera software within the REVVL provides the ability to switch to macro, 50MP, slow motion, hyperlapse, panorama, and pro modes atop the typical modes. While the various modes function as described, there are very few settings and modifications available for each, so you're getting a basic camera experience overall. Surprisingly, wireless charging is actually supported on the T-Mobile REVVL 6 Pro. We had to read the specifications document twice since we usually don't see wireless charging, even in mid-range phones like the Pixel 6a or the OnePlus 10T. It's not super fast wireless charging, but it is convenient. 15-watt fast wire charging is also supported should you go the traditional route. The T-Mobile REVVL 6 Pro launches with Android 12 and a very Pixel-esque user interface. T-Mobile and Google collaborated to build an optimized experience on T-Mobile's network so that you'll find a few T-Mobile utilities and key Google apps installed on the phone out of the box. The July 5, 2022 Android security update is present on our review unit, and it remains to be seen how well T-Mobile will support the REVVL with security and firmware updates. Since the phone's a T-Mobile branded model, I hope we see solid support with one party, the carrier, removed from the chain of approval. The few T-Mobile utilities installed on the phone are T-Mobile Play, T-Mobile's Account Manager app, and Visual Voicemail. There's also a McAfee app that you can uninstall. For a T-Mobile branded phone, you're not getting as much bloatware as expected, which is fantastic. From Google, we find all of the expected apps, including Google Wallet, Maps, Photos, and many more. Google Discover is present alongside a T-Mobile branded newsfeed when you swipe left to right on the home screen panel. Since we were testing out a Google Pixel 6a at the same time, the first test we performed on it and the REVVL 6 Pro was a cellular reception. Impressively, the T-Mobile REVVL beat the Pixel 6a handily in every low to high signal area, which was enough to convince me to return my Pixel 6a. I saw 8 to 15 dBm better cellular performance out of the REVVL, and it wasn't until later that we realized the REVVL 6 Pro has a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor and integrated 5G modem after assuming it was another one of Qualcomm's Android modems. Cellular reception strength has always been an area where Samsung and OnePlus stood out from Apple and Google. However, it's a vital element of a solid smartphone experience and one of the first things we check out on a phone. T-Mobile impressed us here with the amazing cellular performance that rivaled Samsung and OnePlus, so people on T-Mobile buying this phone should be very happy with its connection reliability and speeds. In order to launch a phone at just $219.99, there have to be some compromises. The REVVL 6 Pro is a very very large phone with a lower resolution display with a 60Hz refresh rate, but the display looks good, and aging eyes could barely perceive much of a difference in the resolution when compared to higher resolution phones. Another compromise was in camera quality and build materials. Plastic is great for taking a bump or two, but can feel cheap and almost like a toy. Otherwise, the T-Mobile REVVL 6 Pro is a decent sub-$250 phone that gets the essentials down, compromises on parts, and excels in cellular activity.